Historically, counteroffers have been a checklist item. Today, it is necessary to be part of the discussion, which should be held early and often. A counteroffer should be an expectation. Candidates should be surprised if they don't get one. Measure the risk. What are the candidates' reasons for making the career move? Review their history of receiving a counteroffer. Review the history of their current company's counteroffer practices. Discuss the faces of the counteroffer: money, promotion, or even a new division. Review the counteroffer discussion before the final interview. Get serious. Discuss the resignation process. And the number one takeaway item regarding counteroffers is ask them what their price is. For script samples or more details, go to the SBR Public Drive, locate the NAPS 2011 presentations, and open the file named Counteroffers and Closing on Money by Amy Williams Healy.